Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Grip shoes are become a major trend in footwear, especially for people who value both style and performance. These shoes are designed with specialized soles that provide excellent traction, making them perfect for sports, fitness, hiking, and even daily wear. The latest grip shoes design focus on combining durability with modern. Unlike older bulky grip shoes, the new model are lightweight, sleek, and versatile enough to match casual outfit as well. Sport brands are investing in advanced sole technology to ensure better friction and anti-slip performance. Shoes with rubber outsoles, multi-directional grooves, and texture patterns are now high demanded. One of the standout feature of modern grip shoes is their adaptability. Whether you are running on road, climbing trails, or working out at the gym, the grip technology ensures stability and balance. Designers are experimenting with material like high density rubber, carbon infused compound, and eco friendly soles to provide longer lasting grip without adding unnecessary weight. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts are especially drawn to grip shoes because they reduce the chance of slipping and injuries during high intensity movement like squash, sprints, or cross training. Fashion has also entered the grip shoes market. Many brands now release stylish versions with bright color, trendy patterns, or modern, ensuring they are both practical and fashionable. Hiking grip shoes are gaining popularity due to their rugged soles with deep traction patterns. These designs are made to handle rocky terrains, muddy paths, and steep climbs without losing stability. Another major trend is waterproof grip shoes. This combines slip resistant sole with water repellent material, making them perfect for rainy weather and outdoor adventure. Designers are focusing on breathable pair made of mesh and knitted fabrics when keep the shoes lightweight while ensuring airflow. This balance of comfort and grip one of the hottest trend today. Grip shoes for gym training often include flat sole with strong traction patterns. This help is maintaining stability during weight fitting and functional training. Trail running shoes are another category with grip technology shines their last design feature aggressive sole lugs that bite into dirt, rocks, and uneven surface, ensuring speed and safety. The color palette of grip shoes is expanding while black and gray remain popular. Neon shades, metallic finishing, and granted tones are being introduced to appeal to younger boys. Eco-friendly grip shoes are trending as well. Brands are using recycled rubber and planet-based materials to create sustainable yet highly effective grip soles. Basketball grip patterns enhance quick movement, jump, and landing. The last design also integrate shock embossment to protect joints. Grip sandal and slip ons are also growing attention. This design combine comfort with anti-slip soles, making them ideal for casual summer wear. In terms of technology, some grip shoes are now coming with self-cleaning soles where the grosses are designed to push out dirty and mud automatically. For professionalism, works like chiefs and hospital staff non-slip grip shoes are being designed with both safety and comfort in mind. The future oil resistant and liquid resistant soles. Climbing shoes are another where area grip design are evolving. The last version include ultra sticky rubber compounds that cleaning to rocks and artificial climbing walls. Luxury fashion brands are now entering the grip shoe market by mixing premium leather upper with height traction sole, giving buyer both and precisely. Kids grip shoes are designed with playful color and cartoon inspired patterns, but they still prioritize safety with strong non-slip soles. Minimalistic grip shoes which mimic barefoot walking but still include slip resistant sole are become popular among health conscious individuals. Some brands are incorporating digital design into their sole with 3D printed grip patterns that are customized for specific sport to trainers. For winter wear grip boots and trending they include deep traction pattern, waterproofing and thermal insulation, making them perfect for snow or icy conditions. Streetwear culture is heavily influencing grip shoes design. Chunky grip sneakers with bold soles are making waves in the fashion world, merging urban style with functional footwear. Customizable grip shoes are another exacting trend. Buyers can choose sole type, grip pattern, and even color based on their lifestyle needs. The future of grip shoes also includes smart technology. Some upcoming models may feature scenarios that track pressure point and adjust grip accordingly. Overall, grip shoe design in 2025 are all about blending style, comfort, and safely. Whatever you are into sport, hiking, or just looking for daily wear, the latest grip shoes ensure you walk confidently without compromising or fashion. So viewer, thanks for watching.